Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0123 Throttle Position Sensor A Circuit High Code. The reason why you're getting P0123 is because the computer recognizes that the TPS might be faulty. For example, if the TPS is sending a signal that is out of range, again, it will trigger P0123 code. This part here is the TPS sensor, and it is a potentiometer. On the inside, there's going to be a lot of contact, and basically the TPS is a variable resistor. And when these contacts start to fail, again, it can send incorrect signal to the computer. And again, the computer is going to realize there is a fault, and again, it will be out of range. When you're getting P0123, what symptoms should you expect? The first and most common symptom is going to be rough idle. At idle, the throttle blade is going to open slightly, and the TPS sensor is going to monitor the opening of the throttle plate. When that TPS sensor is faulty, it can cause the engine to run rough at idle. The next sign of a bad TPS sensor, it is going to be hesitation when accelerating. When the internal contacts are bad on the inside of the TPS sensor, this can cause the vehicle to jerk when accelerating because the computer is getting erratic signal, again caused by a bad TPS sensor. If the contacts inside the TPS sensor are extremely worn, sometimes the vehicle cannot even regulate idle, and it can cause the vehicle to stall. Before replacing the TPS sensor, I always check the wire, make sure the wire is not broken, make sure connection is not loose, and also make sure the connection is not broken as well. Make sure the cable is not stretched, because if the cable is stretched, it will cause the TPS sensor to not work properly. And also make sure that there's no excessive carbon buildup on the inside of the throttle body, because this can cause the throttle plate to start binding, and so on. The quickest way to check for a bad TPS sensor is to take your multimeter and set it to ohms. Next, you're going to connect the negative lead to ground and the positive lead to the signal wire. Next, you're going to open up the throttle plate, and you're going to see the resistance start to change. If you see a sudden change in resistance, and if you see it spike or you see a jump, that's how you know you're going to have a bad TPS sensor caused by worn contacts on the inside of the TPS sensor. So again, make sure to gently sweep and watch the resistance change. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.